everything or anything. Tell me when you're ready.
See the now the beast unleashed right now over there with Armani talk me from what I go on now.
But they still my bone right, you did for that?
See it my bro, yo, right now, surprising out of the pocket, just jump out and surprise everybody from like how long way there?
For so them never did really see the thing or even really take it serious for them, but now they know, so they really see, so them say, they really do this for real.
Yeah,
they think it was a TikTok thing. So.
You have a song Wild and Wicked.
Yeah.
And a lot of people actually think that other has to do it. Like, them think a baker, who knows a baker must ask him.
The thing is, my voice control is probably different. I'm probably one of the best in the dancer right now. I can put my voice on a level way down here, so, and I can go way up there. So.
They come here and say, apart from the DJ, I sing at all.
Yeah, I can sing too, but we so show them that side. If them listen to the EP, even meditation, the end part in me with the choir.
So from talking now, how the journey start off?
Really start off from KC still. I win JCDC. I say, yo, we can really take this on a different level.
So what age you win JCDC at?
16. Yeah, all island champion. So I'm just start taking from this, so then KC Chopper Choir, I'm start opening for them and them concerts and stuff, which was a big thing.
So you really actually a singer then?
Yeah.
So what DJ thing come in?
Easy for me. I normally win every freestyle competition either way. My lyrical certain way, so straight off the top, you the rhythm and then we just
freestyle straight.
Yeah.
Please check the stats, them boy, them the bad, none of time.
How old are you right now?
19.
So 3 years I basically miss out that scene then. Because you have a gap for no time. Why you take something for a year now since like, the past one? 9 months or a year from now.
January I drop the Balenciaga One Foot song. That. And then follow up with that, we'd have Wild and Wicked, then Party Time. But other than that, we'd have songs that I consider trending songs. Not hit. Me would consider them hits, but I can't consider them trending songs because them trend and stuff. So from January till now, I think we have a good run from the first year.
Yeah, because you're going good on TikTok. Like TikTok is like your mainstream for you. Like people get you from this
main traffic, yeah.
Yeah, because like a lot of dances and creative activities come on the side, and you know creative dances yourself. Like the whole cool. Just touch it and know, sir.
Yeah, and it just turned cool, so I just say cool. I do it one time in video go viral. I say alright.
Yeah, so in-house production label under your belt?
Yeah, Culture Records, GS Davis, in Bill Wild and Wicked, in Bill, the song Balenciaga on my foot. Majority time I beats them.
Oh, so you have a team then where you
yeah, we have a team.
From the first viral.